Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video today that'll be a Weebly website tutorial. Just before I get into it, once you've watched the video, you can click a link in the description down below and that'll take you to a free trial version of Weebly. So like I said, once you've seen the video, you can click that link and that'll allow you to give it all a go for free. So once you've logged in, this will be the first page that appears. You'll be able to select at this stage whether to create a store or just a normal site. Obviously, I'm going to go for a normal site today. What I'd do at this point then is spend a little bit of time and browse the templates that they've got available to them here. Find a template which most closely resembles what you want, basically. So forget about the images, forget about the fonts and all the rest of it. You're just looking for a general layout, where the menu is and how things are positioned and how it, the overall feel of it when you kind of browse it. So if you like the look of something, click it and then have a browse through it very quickly, and then once you want to use that as a starting point, click start editing in the top right hand corner. So very quickly, I'll give you a very quick rundown of the interface. And then we have got very specific tutorials on how to do everything on the channel. So if you go looking for specific things, then you can go on the channel and have a browse there. Basically, the best way to learn something like this would be to spend quite a bit of time in there, okay? And have a look at the different templates and things like that, how they're put together, and then it's going to quickly take hold. It's asking us here to add a custom domain name. You can do that later on. If you want to get back to that option at any point, you can go to settings here at the top of the menu page and then click here, or on the right there, change, and then you can select connect or transfer a domain name that you've already got purchased. Like I said, we've got tutorials on the channel that'll take you through that process as well. So back to the build menu, that's kind of like the normal mode. You can see that everything here is selectable with a left click, and then a little menu appears when I've got that item selected, or an element as it's referred to in Weebly. So whatever you've kind of got selected, a little menu appears corresponding to that with the settings for that particular thing. Text, for example, you can double click and then select all to add whatever text that you want in replacement of it. These elements here on the left hand side, you can just simply click and drag those in, and that will give you then whatever you want in the right sort of formatting that corresponds to the width and the height of whatever you've dragged it next to or on top of. Whatever's not available for you as a tool here in the build menu will be accessible through the App Store. So there's an extensive range of applications there to cover any of your needs if it's not here in the tools. You've got pages here at the top as well, which you can see all of the pages in your website with, rename them, delete them, access some of the basic settings, as well as add a new page by clicking that little plus button at the top there. Theme then allows you to change the basic color, fonts, and access the templates that we saw at the beginning to very quickly change the nature of your site and give it a bit of a rejig. That won't change the content, it'll just change the layout. Once you're happy with your website and you're ready to go public, hit publish in the top right hand corner and that'll allow you to do so. So if you want to give this all a go now and try Weebly out, there is a link in the description down below that will allow you to do so. If you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them as comments down below as well. Thank you very much.